Welcome! This is Camille and the Studio Birds with a little video on one of my books called Sea of Green, Sky of Blue. And this is just a little miniature book. Comes with a nice non-adhesive case. Pull the book out. The case has carving on the outside is the image. And you can see the inside of the case. And the book comes with a nice book cloth cover. And when you open it up, you can see the nested accordion. And that means that it's one accordion nested inside another. And these are all my relief prints, as well as the poem on the left. And you can see that there is metallic thread that is stitched and runs through the accordions. You can see this book as well as my books, other books and patterns on my Etsy store, the link below. Thanks for stopping in.